Hello students, today we will study about complement of a set. Complement of a set. Now, with the help of one example, we will start our study about complement. So let U be the universal set. We all know that U means universal set, which contains, this is one example. With the help of example, we will study complement, which contains all the prime numbers. U is equal to all the prime numbers, right? And A is the subset of U. A is a subset of U, which means all the elements of A is present in U. Okay? All the elements of A present in U. So now, U is the set of all prime numbers and A is the subset of U. We know that. Now, U which consists of all those prime numbers that are not divisor of 42. A be the subset of U. A, all the elements of A present in U. A is a subset of U. Now what is A? What contains? So A contains all those prime numbers that are not divisor of 42. That are not divisor of 42. Which means what is A? A means for all x such that x belongs to U and x is not divisor of 42. Now 42, what is the divisor of 42? 2 3s are 6, 7s are 42. This is the divisor, right? This is the divisor of 42. Now you have to write down in A, what is A? 237. 237 के अलावा सारे एलिमेंट्स ए में क्या होना नहीं चाहिए? 237 नहीं होना चाहिए. क्यों? क्योंकि आपको बोला गया है x इज नॉट अ डिविजर ऑफ 42. सो a इज इक्वल टू 237 के अलावा सारे एलिमेंट्स. मतलब सारे एलिमेंट्स मतलब प्राइम नंबर ओनली, बिकॉज x बिलोंग्स टू u है. u प्राइम नंबर है. 237 के अलावा जितने भी प्राइम नंबर है वो आपके a में आ जाएंगे, राइट? सो नाउ 2 belongs to U, but 2 does not belongs to A. 2 belongs to U. 2 is a prime number, so it is present in universal set. But 2 does not belongs to A. Why? Because condition is x is not a divisor of 42. That's why we don't have to write down 2 over here. Then 3's for same 7. So 237 does not belongs to A. Now 237 called complement of A, which is denoted by A dash. Which is denoted by A dash. Don't get confused. I'm explaining you that what is A dash. A dash is that all the elements of U, all the elements of universal set apart from A. A में एलिमेंट जो भी हो उसके अलावा U में जितने भी एलिमेंट है वो आपके A dash होंगे. A dash is equal to 237. What is the elements of A? What is the element of A? A is equal to 5, then 11, then 13, then 17, up to all the prime numbers, right? X is not a divisor of 42. So 237 is a complement of A. 237 is a complement of A and it is denoted with A dash. This is read as A dash. A dash, okay? So A dash is equal to 237. Now, with the help of definition, that let U be the universal set. U is universal set, right? And A is a subset of it. U is universal set, right? U is universal set and A is a subset of U. A is a subset of U, which means all the element of A present in U, right? So then the complement of A. Now listen carefully. What is complement of A? That then the complement of A is the set of all the elements of U. Complement of A is the set of all the elements of U. This is clear? You have to write down the elements of U. In A dash, you have to write down the elements of U. But कैसे elements लिखने हैं आपको? Which are not the elements of A. Which are not the elements of A with respect to U. U में जितने भी आपके एलिमेंट्स होंगे वो आपको लिखने हैं, लेकिन वो A में नहीं होने चाहिए. इट इज कॉल्ड A dash. So that's why the symbolically definition of complement is A dash is equal to for all x, x belongs to U. ऐसा x लिखना है आपको a डैश में जो u में हो, x बिलोंग्स टू u बट x डज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू a and x does not belongs to a. So a dash is equal to u minus a. Differences, we saw the differences, right? What is difference? The definition of difference, that all the elements of first set but not present in second, right? Similarly a dash भी ऐसे ही हुआ, u minus a, all the elements of u but which is not present in a. But complement और difference में क्या difference है, that डिफरेंसेस में कोई भी a माइनस बी वॉट एवर कुछ भी आ सकता है. यहाँ पे आपको एक यूनिवर्सल सेट दिया ही होगा, उसके अकॉर्डिंगली एक a भी दिया होगा और आपको a डैश लिखना है, a डैश. ओके, सो दिस इज द वन एग्जांपल. u इज इक्वल टू 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 एंड a इज इक्वल टू 1 3 5 7 9. यू हैव टू फाइंड a डैश. You have to find a dash. So apart from these elements, you have to write down all the elements of u. 1 3 5 7 9 आपको नहीं लिखने हैं, उसके अलावा जितने भी u में एलिमेंट्स है वो सारे a डैश में लिखने हैं. 1 तो यहाँ पे है सो नहीं लिख सकते. 2 4 6 8 and 10. a dash is equal to 2 4 6 8 10 is the a dash, right? This is the a dash. So a dash contains all the elements of universal set which are not the elements of a with respect to u. And symbolically the definition is, it may be asked in the MCQ. I told you that definition of a dash and a b c d, there are 4 options are there. x belongs to u or x does not belongs to you and कर देते हैं, या फिर शायद x belongs to u but x बिलोंग्स टू बी, ऐसे कुछ भी करके डिफरेंस करके ए बी सी डी आपको 4 ऑप्शन देंगे. तो सिंबॉलिकली डेफिनेशन इज इम्पोर्टेंट, दैट एक्स बिलोंग्स टू यू एंड एक्स डज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू ए. ओके, आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड द कंसेप्ट ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट. इट इज सेम लॉजिक एज द डिफरेंस. The last third operation of the set, differences of set, same logic applied over here in complement. Okay, the difference is that you have to here see what is universal set, and according to that you have to write down a dash. Okay, now another example, that let u be the universal set of all the students of class 11. So what is a universal set? All the students of your class 11 of a co-ed school, right? Co-ed school means boys and girls both are there in the class. Co-educational school means both boys and girls are in your class. And A be the set of all girls in class 11. A is what? A is all the girls, right? Now you have to find out A dash. So simple, A dash is all the boys of your class, because universal set is all the students of your class. A is all the girls. Now you have to write down A dash. So A is the set of all girls. A dash is clearly the set of all boys in the class. A में जो भी होगा उसके अलावा यूनिवर्सल सेट में जो भी बचेगा वो आपको लिखना है A dash में, right? So now you already have given one universal set A B C D E F G H, A to H. This is already given to you. Now you have to find out different 4 dash, A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. So given to you A is equal to A B C, right? You have to find out complement of the following set. Now first set is A B C. Now you have to write down A dash. What is A dash? A B C के अलावा जितने भी एलिमेंट्स होंगे U में वो आपको लिखने हैं. D E F G H is your A dash. Now B is equal to D E F G. D E F G, right? D E F G. So apart from D E F G, you have to write down the elements A B C H. A B C H is your B dash. Same, C is equal to A B C E G. So what is your U? Your U is A B C D E F G H. So now A C E G, A C E G, it is your C, it is your set C. Now you have to write down C dash, which is B D F and H. Okay. Now similarly, U is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now you have to find D dash. You have given D is equal to F, G, F, G, H and A. So now what is your D dash? B, C, D, E. B, C, D, E. Order doesn't matter. B, C, D, E is your D dash. Okay. I hope you understood the concept of complement, right? It is very simple. Just you have to write down the elements which are not present in your given set and which is present in your given universal set. This is your exercise 1.5 question number 2 completed. Question number 2. Exercise 1.5 question number 2. Right? So this is your exercise 1.5 question 2. Question number 1 is remaining, but first of all question 2 and question 3 we will see. Question 2, right? This is question 2. Now question number 3 of your exercise 1.5 of your textbook. Question 3. Now what is question number 3? Taking the set of natural numbers as the universal set. Taking the set of natural numbers as the universal set, write down the complements of the following set. So what you have to take as the universal set? Taking the set of natural number as the universal set. This is the statement of a question. And you have to write down the complement of each and every set which is given to you. Total 11 set given to you. But universal set is common, which is natural number. This is universal set, natural number n. Right? So first of all, for all x, x is an even natural number. You have to write down the complement of this. For all x is an even natural number dash. You have to write down complement of this. Now natural number is the universal set. Even natural number already given to you. So what is the remaining numbers? Odd number. So the complement is x is an even natural number dash is equal to for all x, x is an odd natural number. इवन अगर आ गया है आपका नेचुरल नंबर में से, सो रिमेनिंग इज ऑड ओनली. सो दिस इज द आंसर, ऑड नेचुरल नंबर. सेम थिंग, x इज एन ऑड नेचुरल नंबर. देन इफ नेचुरल नंबर में से हम ऑड नंबर ले ले, हमारा ये सेट है ऑड नेचुरल नंबर का. अब हमको इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट लिखना है. कॉम्प्लीमेंट मीन्स यूनिवर्सल सेट के एलिमेंट्स जो यहाँ पे आ गए हैं उसके अलावा लिखने हैं. तो ऑड नेचुरल नंबर इज ऑलरेडी देयर. सो व्हाट इज द कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ ऑड नेचुरल नंबर? इवन नेचुरल नंबर. ओके, अंडरस्टूड. देन थर्ड, फॉर ऑल x, x is a positive multiple of 3 dash. You have to write down the complement of this set. For all x, x is a positive multiple of 3 dash. So what you have to write down? X belongs to n because natural number x belongs to n and x is not a multiple of 3. Positive multiple of 3, which means 3, 6, 9, 12 up to so on, up to infinity, because your set is natural number, right? So up to infinity. So now you have to write down apart from these elements. Don't consider these elements as your complement, right? So this is the condition. First of all, you have to write down this condition. X belongs to n. Because don't go in the minus or real number set, right? In Z. Only positive number, because positive multiple of 3 is the question. So x belongs to n. And simple, x is not a multiple of 3. So जितने भी नेचुरल नंबर में 3 के मल्टीपल नहीं होंगे वो सारे यहाँ पे आ जाएंगे. Which is 1, 2, 4, 5 up to so on, right? सो x इज़ नॉट अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 3. ऐसा x आपको लिखना है जो मल्टीपल नहीं हो 3 का, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 3 का मल्टीपल दिया गया है डैश के लिए आपको. तो आपका आंसर क्या होगा? x इज़ नॉट अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 3. ओके, आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड. नाउ फोर्थ इज x इज अ प्राइम नंबर. प्राइम नंबर. सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम प्राइम नंबर, all the elements of natural number you have to write down, which is the positive composite number. Now what is composite number? Composite number is the multiplication of two small number. For example, 2 into 7 which is equal to 14, 3 into 2 which is equal to 6. These are composite number. Likewise means apart from prime number जिसके हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन करके कुछ ना कुछ आंसर ला सकते हैं अपार्ट फ्रॉम प्राइम नंबर, राइट? So it is called composite number. So x is a positive composite number. Why positive is the word? Because we already have given universal set as natural number. So only positive composite number. And x is equal to 1 because we consider 1 as not a composite number nor prime number. It is a special case, right? 1 is not a prime number nor a composite number. So we already written positive composite number over here. So 1 is not considered here. Positive composite number, which means say 4, 6, प्राइम नंबर के अलावा जितने भी है वो पॉजिटिव कंपोजिट नंबर होंगे, राइट? बट x तो हम नहीं प्राइम भी कंसिडर नहीं करते हैं और ना ही कंपोजिट कंसिडर करते हैं, तो उसको अलग से आपको लिखना पड़ेगा. एंड x इज इक्वल टू 1 बिकॉज डैश तो वो भी होगा ना, उसका आंसर तो वो भी होगा. प्राइम नंबर के अलावा सारे नंबर्स आपको लिखने हैं तो 1 भी आना चाहिए नहीं उसमें. तो पॉजिटिव कंपोजिट नंबर एंड x इज इक्वल टू 1, राइट? सो x is a natural number divisible by 3 and 5. So simple. What you have to write down? In dash इसका डैश लिखना है आपको, ये सेट का डैश. So is a natural number that is not divisible by 3 or 5, right? Now sixth, for all x is a perfect square. X is a perfect square. So for all x belongs to capital N. Compulsory you have to write this because perfect square means perfect square में तो आपका ये भी आएगा, -2 square भी 4 होगा, -1 square भी 1 होगा. So you have to write down x belongs to N and x is not a perfect square. इसका रिवर्स लिखना है आपको. इफ x इज अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर डैश, इसका डैश लिखना है आपको. जो यूनिवर्सल सेट में है वो लिखना है, लेकिन ये सेट में वो नहीं होना चाहिए. तो x is not a perfect square, but condition is x belongs to N. Okay? Similarly, next, perfect cube. Same, x belongs to N, but x is not a perfect cube. Okay? Now, for all x plus 5 is equal to 8 dash. You have to find out the dash of this. So x plus 5 is equal to 8, which means x is equal to 8 minus 5, which is equal to 3. Right? So this is the 3 dash. The set is 3. You have to write down the natural number set apart from 3. So what you have to write down? For all x belongs to N. All the elements of natural numbers. And x is not equal to 3. Just 3 ज नहीं आवो જોઈએ, right? 3 is not there in your set, in your complement. Okay? For all x belongs to N and x is not equal to 3 because your set is 3. So you have to write down all the elements apart from 3. So this is the statement of it. Okay, 2x plus 5 is equal to 9 is your set. So 2x is equal to 9 minus 5. 2x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 4 by 2. So x is equal to 2. So this is 2. Your set is 2. So same thing like this. x belongs to N and x is not equal to 2. 2 के अलावा सारे एलिमेंट्स आपके डैश में होने चाहिए, राइट? नाउ नेक्स्ट 10th. For all x is greater or equal 7 dash. X is greater or equal 7, which means this set is 7, 8, 9 up to so on, right? This is the set. This is the set. Now you have to write down the dash of this set. So what you have to write down? X belongs to N and x is less than 7, right? Or you can write down like this also, 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is also the set because इसका मीनिंग भी यही हुआ. x belongs to N. N कहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है? हमारा नेचुरल नंबर सेट 1 से स्टार्ट होता है. एंड x इज लेस देन 7 बिकॉज आपको बोला है x इज ग्रेटर और इक्वल 7. सो दिस इज द सेट एंड यू हैव टू राइट डाउन द कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ दिस सेट. यूनिवर्सल सेट में ऐसे एलिमेंट लिखने हैं आपको यूनिवर्सल सेट में से जो यहाँ पे नहीं हो. सो कौन नहीं है यहाँ पे? 1 2 3 4 5 6, राइट? दिस इज ग्रेटर और इक्वल 7. सो यू हैव टू कंसिडर 7 ऑल्सो हियर. ओके. Now, for all x belongs to n and 2x plus 1 is greater than 10. Okay, so 2x plus 1 greater than 10, which means x is less or equal 9 by 2. Right, because 2x, so 10 minus 1, which is 9. So x is equal to 9 by 2. Okay, so greater than 10. 2x plus 1 greater than 10. So finally, what is your x? X is less or equal 9 by 2. I hope you understood this concept of complement. Just simple, you have to write down the elements of universal set which is not in A. Okay, and one condition is that A is a subset of U. Okay, this is the complement. Now, in next videos, we will see about the properties of complement set and Venn diagram of complement set. And according to this, there are some examples are there in your exercise 1.5. So we will see from next video, from next lecture. Okay.